and welcome to this episode of the Etsy Conversations podcast. I'm your host, Ijoma, and usually this week I would have an audio blog episode, but instead I want to make an announcement. If you're not on my mailing list, then you probably don't know this yet, but I sent out an email over the weekend to everyone on my mailing list and everyone who signed up to be informed about the upcoming workshops that I will be hosting. The first workshop in conjunction with the Etsy training, and it's going to be on Etsy Search and SEO. And I know this is a confusing topic for a lot of sellers, and sometimes it can cause some angst. And so that's what we're going to be starting with in this training series. So I'll be covering how Etsy search works and how to optimize your listings for Etsy search, as well as Google search, and also how to optimize your listings for Google search. We're going to do a really deep dive into these topics. So I'll break it down and explain everything to you so that you will know how to create your listings so that they rank highly in both Etsy search and Google search. There will also be time for question and answers. And so it's going to be a total of 90 minutes. That will include the training session and time for Q&A. But if the questions and answers go over the 90 minutes, and you register to attend, you're free to leave after the 90 minutes. I will stay on and respond to all the questions until all the questions are answered. But it's going to be officially a 90-minute session. It's going to be on Saturday, June 27th, 2020, starting at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Now, I do realize that I have listeners all over the world, and that particular time might not work for your time zone. So here are two things that I'm planning to do. One is I'm going to try and make the session available after the recorded session available after we have the live training. And it will be on the website. I'll explain how you can get access to that once I figure out if I'm able to do it, which I should, but no promises yet, but I'm working on that. And so I will, once it's ready, I'll make another announcement so you know it's ready. And if you would prefer to attend another live session of this same training, I would really appreciate it if you email me and let me know so that I can set one up at a different time of day that works with people who live in parts of the world where the particular timing of this one isn't convenient. So go ahead and email me at interview@convome.com and let me know if you would like another live training session. Otherwise, like I said, there will be the option to access the recorded session on the website. Also, if you want to hop over to convome.com, you can register there. If you're not on the mailing list and you didn't get the email, go to convome.com and click on workshops and training, and the information will be there for you to register. There's a link. You just click on that and it will take you to the registration page. And it does cost $25 to attend the live session. The recorded session will also be behind a paywall as well, since this will be a paid training. So that will also be available on the workshops and training tab when you go to convome.com. So again, the date of this session on Etsy search and search engine optimization is Saturday, June 27th, 2020 at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. If you just want to hop over to the to the registration page, if you're listening to this, like I said, you can go to convome.com and click on the workshops and training tab, or go to convome.com/workshops with an S, and that will take you directly to the registration page. And that's it for this week. I am very excited about this upcoming session. I haven't done a live training yet, but I'm really happy and excited about connecting with you in this way. So it's not so much of a one-sided conversation, so that we can have a two-way conversation. You can have your questions answered. And I might not know everything. Actually, I shouldn't say I might not. I don't know everything. But the great thing about partnering with Etsy is that I have a connection with folks at Etsy who understand search inside and out. They do search. They created this whole Etsy search thing. And so if you have any questions that it turns out I cannot answer during the session, still bring them anyway, and I will take them back to the team at Etsy and have someone actually respond to your question. So that way you get some type of response, and you know you'll get a response. So if it's not coming from me, it will come directly from the horse's mouth. So I'm really excited about this. I'm looking forward to it. I'll be honest, I am kind of nervous because I haven't done this before, but I'm confident that it will be a good training session. We will have a good time connecting, and I hope you sign up. Again, go to convome.com, click on the workshops and training tab, or just go directly to convome.com/workshops to sign up.